Perhaps it is difficult for you to believe, but you can indeed fill your wallets with money from home. It is the 21st century, and we can earn money with just a few clicks. We can earn anywhere from $5 to $20 and over again. I understand that these are small numbers and very little money to earn, but I have some advice for you. Never judge before hearing the whole story. These little figures may readily be changed into large amounts by just working hard and saving money. It takes a little work to maintain control and consistency, but it's well worth it because you may withdraw your money anytime you want, and through any payment method that is convenient for you, such as PayPal or bank transfer. The best part, and most likely the most popular feature, is that the website for today's discussion is completely free, and it's slowly but steadily spreading around the world. Another feature that will put you at ease is that you don't need any special skills to make your accounts heavy. Are you happy to know that you should be? Actually, I'm quite thrilled to tell you about this website, and we'll make sure to include some additional ideas to help you double or even triple your money. Stay in your seats as long as possible and watch the film to the conclusion so you don't miss a single detail and may earn your money. This is how you make money. And welcome to my channel, where I show you how to generate money online using various strategies. Subscribe to this channel and press the notification bell. Don't forget to hit the like button, and if you have any questions, issues, or recommendations, please leave a comment below. Now, let's get started. Open a browser and go to enrollab.com. Once you've arrived at the website, you'll notice a sign-up page where you must put in your information, including your email address, password, and confirmation of your password. After that, you must agree to their terms and conditions before proceeding to enroll. Now, you must verify your account by clicking the verification link sent to the email address you provided. Remember, this is a free and legitimate method that is also very popular with young people. It is very convenient because you can do it from the comfort of your own home with no investments and no need for skills or experience. Repeatedly, and it'll only take a few minutes of your time. Make sure you're paying attention to every step. Don't skip this video to avoid missing any essential facts. Every time you take an exam, the aim is to get to the finish line so that you may continue and obtain further tests or missions to do. Take a test that involves answering various questions. You should fill out as many polls as you can so that the website can figure out what sort of test is suitable for you. Just keep doing so until your test appears. Remember how I said there was a bonus tip that could potentially double or triple your earnings? This is how you'll double or triple your earnings. It's very important when you're answering the poll because without it you won't make any progress, and that means no points. You need to answer the polls to be able to earn money, and the more calls you make, the more points you earn, the more money you can earn. Apart from the fact that by answering surveys, you may be able to receive bigger projects and make more money, more opportunities are better than none at all, right? Yeah, on the top right where your profile is, there's a poll question there where you can see the answers to the questions you took. And if you click on your accomplishments, you'll see your progress and total badges. The sum of your points on your financial admittance. You'll be able to view all of your profits as well as your payment date. This website is very convenient because it does everything for you with no hassle, and it's a quick and easy way to earn money. One more special tip is to make sure that you're always logged into your account. It's best to be active daily and answer as many parts as you can so you can earn more money. As I previously stated, if you want to triple your earnings, you should be active daily and answer as many parts as you can. Navigate to the profile settings, choose your test options on the devices I can test on. I strongly advise you to use all three. It's better to use multiple devices because the more polls you have, the more tasks you can complete, and the more missions you can complete, the more money you can earn. I know you've been asked about your availability to take tests or missions, but the best way to increase your earnings is to send tests as soon as one becomes available. This way, you'll complete more tasks and earn more money. This will not take up a lot of your time, so it will not interfere with your daily activities. You may do it while you're testing or waiting for your pasta to be cooked, or at any other moment in between, so you won't miss out on the opportunity to earn extra money. It's also crucial to make sure your notification box is checked so you'll be the first to know if there are any open tests to take. Make sure you see the changes in your settings so you don't miss out on an opportunity to earn more money. But you should do it the way I taught you to do it so you don't miss out on this opportunity and you earn money that you can save and spend the way you want it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel Search Money, and I'll see you in the next video.